Hey guys, silverGameOfThrone is here with a new video today. We are doing silver unboxing and it's all about collections. It's all about collections. So welcome back to my real stuff, only physical, guys. It's getting hard, very tight last days, okay? I don't know you. For anybody who's looking on spot price, good luck, okay? I don't look into spot price. I'm looking how I am able to, to keep my collection up, So here we have 3 coins in this package from UpMax. We have the 2022 Australia Perth Mint, one of the best mint in the world, guys, period. Silver Swan, okay, Silver Swan 2022. This is all my collection. And second, we have 2022 Republic of Hana, reindeer, okay, this is, I believe it's number 8, if I'm not mistaken. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, or number 7, okay. So it's all about collection, okay. Stay tuned. Let's unbox this bad guy and let's see what is inside. And the last coin, right? Last coin, number 3, is, of course, guys, fraction gold. Fraction gold Corona. I never buy it so expensive. And even so expensive, I'm not able to find, guys, today. So I paid $210, something like this. My average on Corona, 10 Coronas, which is almost 0.1 ounce of gold, 170 bucks. Okay, 170 bucks on 1 Corona. Here we go, some paperwork here. I want to move it out. So we have 2 coins and we have 2 more coins, sorry, not 1 but 2 more coins. So let's make it clear. Yeah, so here we go. I was waiting like 3 weeks, guys. So I got 2 Coronas, okay, 0.1 ounce, it's 0.2 ounce of gold, 2 Coronas, 216 bucks, guys. Again, my average 170, 180, okay. I never bought so expensive, but even this price, go find out, okay. I bought the last 2. I always buy the last 2. I'm hunting all this cheap, fraction gold. And then I got this Swan 2022 and Republic of Hana reindeer, okay. So we're going to unbox it. We're going to see what is inside. Let's do it one by one. I like all these collection coins. Love them. I love them, guys. They are so beautiful. So what's going on with my camera? Yeah, look here, guys. Look here, Republic of Hana silver reindeer. So this Republic of Hana, they are not bad, guys, okay? They are not bad collection at all. First of all, I don't see milk spots on them, okay? And let's first see what do I have, okay? And then we can see what I got today. Okay, so we go with number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Number 6. So we go with number 6, 2021. 2021. What a beautiful collection. You see they strike on the top all these animals, and that it will be 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. You know that it will be 8, guys, okay? You don't need to guess. And then you have 2021, and then on reverse, on the obverse, you have these 5 cities, okay? That's how it is presented. So this is 2021 Auro. Then we have 2021 rhinoceros. Very beautiful, very nice collection. Not one of the best, okay, because on eBay they are not taking much attention, maybe 45, 50 bucks, but it's a very decent collection, very decent collection. Then we have this ugly bear, cave bear, I don't know, that's really not a, you know, not a best bear I have ever seen. Okay, then we have this toothed, saber-toothed cat, okay, which is number 3, as you can see here. Okay, and then we have this megaloceros, like just a deer, right? But the megaloceros, it sounds like much better. Okay, giant of the Ice Age. Okay, this was in 2019. As you see, there is no milk spot of them. Okay, and this was the first one. This is the most expensive. I think this is something on not on a coin, but on this on plastic. So this is on plastic because you see spot is here and here. We need to clean the plastic. So this is giant of the Ice Age, and this is the most expensive. I think this one is going like 70 bucks on eBay. Okay, so here we go. We have 7, and today I bought another one to my collection. That's a nice one. Reindeer. 2000. Look like a plastic. Okay, so this is the one coin. Next one. Next one is Swan. So it was not many details, much attention last days. I don't know why. It was very famous collection 2017. This is 2018. I have all of them, guys. For some of them I pay 60 bucks. It's hard to get them all, you know. It's a 2 swans. This is a 2. This is 2019. Yeah, I think for this 2019 it's 3 swans. Yeah, hard to get. This is 2020. They came back to 1, and this is 2021. It's, you know, you cannot go wrong with the purse mean. I never see imperfection on purse mean. Okay, guys? I never see imperfection. They're always perfect strike. They do perfect strike. You know, there are coins in one of the best. So you just cannot go wrong with Australian mint. It's really one of the best mints. Okay? So all these ones are so beautiful. So beautiful, I'm telling you. Okay, just have a look. Have a look on them, guys. I don't know. Are you collecting them? Let me know, guys. Do you collect the swans? For me, they are one of the best. Okay? Take a look. Okay, and we got a new one, right? Sorry, this is a new one. I forget about new one. This was my collection, okay, 5. And now we are getting a new one, again 2. You see, they started from, it was 1, 2, 3, then again 1, 2, 3. You know, again we are getting 2 swans in 2022. Very nice, very nice. I like them. Very cool, very cool. And we have Coronas, 2 Coronas. Okay, here my one, 10 ducats, 0.1 ounce of gold, to be precise, 0.098, 2% less than 0.1 ounce of gold. Yeah, you cannot go wrong. I like ducats more because it's 23 karat gold, not like this. This I think 22 karat. It is more diameter. This is 19 millimeter, and Ducati is 20 millimeter, and it has more gold, 0.11 ounce of gold. Okay, so here are my ducats. I have a bunch of them. Those are my ducats. I probably have 10 of them, you know, 10 of them. That's the best fraction gold. That's the best fraction gold you can find, guys, I'm telling you, okay? Silver Game of Thrones, 6 years in this market, and I'm stuck in best of the best, okay? When time will come, you will have easy time to sell them. Easy, guys, easy when you need, okay? It's not like 1 ounce of gold transaction, okay? All I buy is from reputable dealers like Upmax, GM Bullion, so I will having no problem. And this is another one, which is, I think it's 8 fluorine or 4 fluorine. Oh no, it's also 10 coronas, but it's another style. It's another production. Okay, so coming here into my small box of fraction gold. You guys cannot go wrong with fraction gold. Period. Okay. Let's take a close look. 1 corona. They say it's gone. I don't. BU restrike. Right. BU restrike 1915, 1912. 1912. BU restrike. Beautiful coins. Okay. Almost 0.1 ounce of gold. And if you buy it in this price, like $210, you know, why I need to overpay like 240 bucks for American gold, you know, like 10% overpay. If I can buy, you know, gold is a gold, right? And especially this cheap and beautiful. Okay. Again, this is my way. You have your ways, guys, your strategy. Please share, like, comment, and all the best. Bye bye.